Welcome back. Chapter 12, Claim. In this chapter, you will learn how to create and edit a claim. We assign claim into employee group, record claim entry, and process payroll. There's two types of process payroll. Later I will show you how to separate between only claim and claim with salary. Now let's begin. Claim type maintenance. To create a claim type, click at Tools, General Maintenance, Claim Type. In claim type, there is 4 existing claim type we prepare for you. It's a preset setting, but I would like you to add in one more claim, which is food and lodging. Click Add New. Code is F&L. Is food and lodging. Add detail. This is the part where you need to allow the claimer to enter necessary information. Like an example, number 1, you want the claimer to mention when is the date. So you enter a title, date, type is date, and it's required. It's compulsory. If you don't fill up this field, then you cannot proceed with claim process. And detail number 2, description. Type is string and is also required. And the last detail should be the supplier name. Also string and required. Save. Once you save, on top of your right corner there is another save button. Click save to proceed. Next is to update the claim setting into employee group. We still add general maintenance. Select employee group. Edit the first group, which is managerial. Scroll down a bit. At the bottom there is a claim setting. Add detail. The first one is F&L. There is no limit, leave it blank. Then save. Add another one. Medical. There is a yearly limit, which is 2,000. Monthly limit 2,000. Per visit is 200. There is no amount to be brought forward, and save. The purpose we select this add detail is because not every employee need or require this type of claim. Like example, people who always in the office, let's say they don't move around, they just only sit in the office, they don't do on site. Those people not necessary to have a claim for, like example, lodging. They do not need to claim for mileage. So you may reduce their claim detail up to what they require only. Some of them may even not necessary to have a claim. So compared with salesperson, they always move around, they always look for client, and they sometimes send or support it on site. Those people, you need to add in more details of claim setting. By doing that, they're able to claim, and you can also set a limit or budget based on company policy. So they don't exceed their allowed amount. So let's finish it out. The last one is mileage and save. To check, there's a mileage, F&L, medical, and there's a parking, and last is toll. Okay, everything is here. Now click save. Proceed with the next employee group, which is standard. Edit standard. Scroll down a bit. Add detail. It's a same, but the medical amount is different. Medical allowable yearly is only 1,002. Monthly is 1,002 as well. Per visit is 100. There is no brought forward amount. Next is parking. Toll and mileage. Done. Save to proceed. In the next task, actually, we already done it in the previous chapter, so you don't have to repeat again the same process. Just for reference, maybe you need to know that Tom Cruise and Apa Pumule both are managers, so they have different employee group. So we proceed to the next task, which is record claim submission. If your employee is not under privilege which can enable them to apply for e-claim, the simple method is they apply manually. Then if you apply manually, then you have to use this method, record claim and submission. Click at payroll, payroll management, click at ad hoc payroll item, select employee Cindy Lauder. Where is Cindy? Here. Month of April. Under claim. Add new row. Select payroll type. Claim. Amount 65. Date is 5th of April. Description is medical fee. Now enter bill number. Enter clinic name only. Clinic Express. And save. Add another row. Still under Cindy. Payroll type is claim. Amounts 150. 15th of April. Description is meeting client in Malacca. Bill number. Under hotel. And save. Next is we process payroll for Cindy Lauder only for claim. Go to process payroll. Create new payroll. Payroll type, select claim. For the month of April, select Cindy and process. Done. Process payroll. Look at the detail. Now the amount is 215 only for claim. It does not include salary. Let's say I want to make this claim to be available together with salary. Then we go to back. to change the claim together with salary, you have to delete the process payroll for claim under Cindy Lauder. Go back to ad hoc payroll item. Under Cindy Lauder, month of April, claim. Change these two items into payroll type month end and save. Another one, change claim to month end and save. Go back to your process payroll. We have one existing payroll process for Cindy Lauder. View, uncommit, go to detail, look at the claim column, observe the claim column, click reset, and the claim will be included into Cindy Lauder month-end process payroll with salary. That's the end of chapter 12. Next is chapter 13, user setting.